Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla and I am the course instructor for this Fast Track Google Mastery Weekend Crash Course. Having an experience of past 2 decades, I have worked with the various technologies in logical and data analysis, analytics, visualization. These are all the expertise I have added in this particular course to make you quickly master in Google Spreadsheets. Getting started. Introduction to welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use practical exercises what you have on a real-time concern. How to get help? Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help Google or Stack Overflow search techniques. Any formula if you are not clear, yes, immediately you have a weapon to search it, Google or Stack Overflow techniques. Submit your questions on asking QA forum for details what you have tried with the screenshot of error code practiced by you. How to approach the course? This is the best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. A concept of video lecture, you have to watch it and you have to prepare your own data and apply the formula and step-by-step process to complete the session completely. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice and get the result. Review certain information by reading examples of parts of video session and make sure to apply. And you see the result to get perfect way. Exercise and solution. You will be assigned a simple Excel Google spreadsheet exercise, a course training. Test your skill based on your previous lectures. You will be assigned a solution for this Google spreadsheet exercise. I hope you will learn perfect and reach a success in Google spreadsheet quickly on weekends. Thank you.